really changed my perspective of what it means to be bilateral and an amputee and what possibilities there are.
I'm here to try to get better at just walking in regular life.
I'm very much looking forward to learning from each and every one of you.
It's just a real unmatched feeling to be here around other people in similar situations.
And I can say my life started to change when I came here since the first time.
Just watching you guys and seeing everybody at different levels of their amputee life just inspired me to come out of my shell.
And it changed my life. I learned so many things.
Thank you very much for not only giving me back my life, but giving it to me the way that I envisioned it and the way that I wanted it.